Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, May the 26th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses. Each and every day, I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that are going on today. Fifth grade. Fifth grade, today is your completion graduation ceremony. So, from 4:45 to 5:45, we will be collecting all technology from virtual scholars for fifth grade. Then at 6 o'clock, we will have your ceremony. Also, tomorrow is super important. All virtual scholars that have not turned in their computer from pre-K all the way to fifth grade, from 4 o'clock until 6 o'clock, right outside of the Academy building, you need to turn in your computer, your laptop, your tablet, your iPads, your covers to them, your stylus, your chargers, and if we loaned you a MiFi, that also needs to be turned in. So please check and make sure you're turning everything in, because if it's not, we are going to charge you for each of those items. Also, remember, Friday is our Owl Fest, and all scholars are welcome to come. All right, we will see you in the classroom. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!